Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we journey into the fascinating world of the coconut, but not to explore its sweet, refreshing water or its creamy white flesh. No, today, we venture into the often overlooked realm of the coconut husk, a treasure trove of unexpected benefits. From ancient remedies to modern solutions, the coconut husk has played a silent but significant role in human history. Join me as we delve into the remarkable properties of this natural wonder and uncover the hidden powers it holds. Deep within the fibrous embrace of the coconut husk lies a secret, one that has been passed down through generations in the heart of Brazil. When simmered in water, the husk releases a potent elixir, a natural remedy that has provided relief from diarrhea and digestive discomfort for centuries. Our journey into the hidden powers of the coconut husk leads us now to its remarkable anti-inflammatory properties. Imagine a simple drink, brewed from the husk of a coconut, holding the potential to ease the aches and stiffness that plague so many. Venturing into the heart of Indian households, we encounter another fascinating use for the coconut husk. Combined with camphor in traditional brass mugs, the husk acts as a natural air freshener, banishing unpleasant smells and creating a more inviting atmosphere. The coconut husk's utility extends beyond its medicinal and aromatic properties. It also proves to be a formidable ally in maintaining a spotless home. Picture this: coconut husk strands, infused with the cleansing power of charcoal powder and the invigorating scent of lemon juice, transformed into scrubbing pads capable of tackling even the most stubborn grime. As we transition from the home to the garden, we discover yet another remarkable facet of the coconut husk: its ability to nurture life. Its absorbent nature makes it an ideal growing medium, providing the perfect balance of moisture retention and drainage for thriving plants. The secret to the coconut husk's success as a growing medium lies in its porous structure. This inherent characteristic allows for optimal drainage, preventing waterlogging and ensuring that plant roots receive the oxygen they need to thrive. The coconut husk's contribution to healthy plant growth extends beyond its ability to regulate moisture and drainage. Its unique composition allows for a free flow of oxygen, a vital component for robust root development and overall plant health. For those new to the world of gardening, the coconut husk offers a forgiving advantage. Its low nutrient content serves as a natural buffer against over-fertilizing, a common pitfall that can lead to toxic buildup and harm delicate plants. The coconut husk's resilience extends beyond its ability to withstand the test of time. It also possesses natural pest-repelling properties. Its fibrous nature and resistance to moisture retention create an inhospitable environment for many common garden pests, keeping them at bay without the need for harsh chemicals. Our journey through the world of the coconut husk concludes with a glimpse into its remarkable versatility beyond the realms of medicine, cleaning, and gardening. Its strong, durable fibers find new life in a myriad of household items, from sturdy doormats to long-lasting brushes. As we conclude our exploration of the coconut husk, it's impossible to deny its remarkable versatility and hidden potential. Thanks for watching. If you found these coconut husk hacks useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. What's your favorite way to use coconut husk? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new videos.